Welcome and greetings to all scholars, researchers, and especially PhD thesis writers. I am Professor Dr. Muhammad Sarwar, and today I am sharing something both practical and powerful. How to use the law of attraction to make your PhD journey more successful, more powerful, and more fulfilling. Let's begin. Law of attraction is the principle that your thoughts, positive or negative, shape your reality. If the thought is positive, then reality is positive. If thought is negative, then reality is negative. What you focus on expand. If you focus on success, success will be multiplied. If you focus on failure, failure will be multiplied. Now, apply that to your PhD. A PhD is not just about logic data. It is an emotional, spiritual, and intellectual challenge. It tests your stamina, your focus, your ability to work smart, not just hard. The law of attraction helps you align your mindset, your energy with your research objectives. And here is how. The 5-step attraction formula for success. Before we begin, remember, the law of attraction is not a magic. It is a mindset in action. Here are 5 simple but powerful steps to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your research objectives. First is think. Second is believe. Third is visualize. Fourth is feel gratitude. And fifth is act purposefully. Let us explore each one. Step 1. Think. Set a clear attention. Set a clear intention. Every successful journey begins with clarity. Ask yourself, what do I really want to find out? What does success look like in my PhD? What kind of impact will my research have? When you think clearly and intentionally, you give your mind a direction, and the universe follows that direction. See the step 2, which is believe. Trust the process. You must believe you are capable. Have faith in your intellect, your wiseness, your supervisor's guidance, and your own inner voice of confidence. Replace doubt with determination. Believe that this journey is yours to complete because it is. Step 3. Visualize your success. Take a moment, take a few minutes each day to see your success in your mind. Imagine completing your thesis, seeing your paper published, holding your PhD degree in your hands. This simple habit strengthens your motivation and rewires your brain to act with confidence. We come to step 4. Feel gratitude daily. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of positive energy. It turns pressure into perspective and stress into strength. Be thankful for your progress, no matter how small. Your mentors and supervisors for their time, trust, and insight. The resources and opportunities around you. When you focus on what you are grateful for, the Almighty gives you more to celebrate. Now we come to step 5. Act with purpose and confidence. Now it is time to take inspired action. Align each step with your research vision or objective. So it is your research vision and objective which should be aligned in all your work. Turn belief into momentum. Stay strategic, persistent, and adaptable. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving with purpose. Now, in the end, we come to common pitfalls and how to overcome. To overcome the pitfalls, we need to focus on even when your mindset is right, challenges will still come, but you can rise above them. So, first pitfall is fear of failure. Reframe it as feedback, progress, not perfection. Second one is procrastination or delay. Break down your work into small, manageable tasks, and in this way, visualize progress. The next one is feeling isolated. Reach out, join research groups, talk to peers, seek guidance from mentors. You attract support when you show up consistently. When you meet people, then they support you. If you sit in your home, you won't get any support. Remember, every setback is a step up for stronger feedback. Again, remember, every setback is a setup for stronger comeback. So, setup prepares you for a good and stronger comeback. Thoughts. You are not just earning a degree. You are becoming a researcher, a thinker, a change maker. Think intentionally. Your thoughts shape your reality. Believe boldly. Your PhD is possible and will come soon. Research passionately. Your voice and ideas matter. Stay connected to your mentors, peers, and purpose. Create your legacy, one idea, one step, one breakthrough at a time. You are the author of your PhD story. Make it extraordinary. Stay connected for more guidance on research, writing, and academic excellence. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep believing.